Hello and welcome to the FIU Institutional Effectiveness video tutorials. This video will be taking you through the steps necessary to log into the Nuventive Improve platform, previously known as TracDat. In order to be granted access to log into the Nuventive Improve platform, new users must visit ASSESSMENT.FIU.EDU. Navigate to the report portal page, where you will find a link to the new user request form, indicated by the black plus sign icon. If you are having difficulty requesting access or logging in, you may also click the black wrench icon to email the institutional effectiveness team directly. Once you have clicked the black plus sign icon, the new user request form will populate. Be sure to complete all fields indicated by an asterisk before submitting the form. Once you have been granted access by a member of the institutional effectiveness team to log into the Nuventive Improve platform, you may begin the login process. Open your preferred browser to begin the login process. Navigate to the platform by typing TracDat.FIU.EDU into the search bar. Provide your FIU credentials to log in. Upon entering the Assessment Hub, click on the Submit Data to TracDat icon to enter Nuventive Improve. The homepage shows a table of active entries for outcomes, methods, results, use of results for improvement, and follow-ups. Clicking on one of the number links will take you to its section. Go to the next video in this series to learn more. Thanks for watching. Check out the rest of our channel for other helpful videos.